How to replace a line on a RedMax Dual-Line Trimmer. The RedMax Dual-Line Trimmer uses a spool of 0.095-inch nylon line to cut weeds and grass. Obstacles cause the line to wear away, requiring you to feed out more line to continue cutting. Eventually you will use all 25 feet of line that the spool holds and you will have to reload the spool. Fortunately, RedMax designed the trimmer to be user-friendly and you can replace the line on the spool in just a few minutes without tools. Things you'll need: 0.095-inch replacement nylon line. Depress the tabs on the sides of the trimmer head housing and pull it off the trimmer head. Turn the trimmer head housing spool cover counterclockwise to remove it and expose the line spool. Remove the spool from the spindle and discard any line that remains. Cut a 25-foot length of line. Thread one end of the line through the slot on the side of the spool. Double the line over on itself, forming a loop around the slot and 2 equal lengths of line. Wind the line around the spool in the direction indicated by the arrow clockwise. Wind one length of the line around the top part of the spool and the other around the bottom part. Make sure you keep the line tight and that the lengths of line don't cross over themselves. Leave approximately 6 inches of each end of line unwound. Insert the ends of the line into the notches on the side of the spool to keep in place while you replace the spool. Feed the ends of the line through the eyelets on the sides of the trimmer head housing. You should feed one end through each eyelet so they are opposite each other. Replace the spool cover and turn it clockwise to screw it on. Place the housing onto the spindle, making sure the 2 tabs engage to lock it into place. Grasp the ends of the line and tug sharply to free them from the notches on the spool.